Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 9, and today I will show you how you can go through the hard reset of this phone using settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up settings. From here, scroll down to, I believe it's going to be system settings, and in here, let's see. There we go. Right at the bottom we have backup and reset. You want to click on that and then select reset phone. Erase all data. This will give you a really brief message right here. This will erase all data. And then, are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now, all data basically means everything that I have on the device, including music, photos, documents, anything that I have downloaded. Now, things that you don't need to worry about would be things like your Google accounts or any kind of account, and anything that is kept on the cloud you don't need to worry about, because once you relog into your device or the account, you can basically get back whatever is stored in the cloud. But everything that is stored locally on the phone, if you want to keep it, do make a copy of it. Anyway, from here let's progress by selecting erase data, and this will now begin the process. Now this entire thing should take about like 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it has, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.